on this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Wacom tablet. Okay, so here's my tablet here. This is the wireless one, and it has a setup wizard, so it's pretty easy to follow. You just click start, and you're gonna just click your right click here, and you're just gonna do the button here on the pen as well, right there. Do it at the same time. I already did it. And then this one is the hotkeys. I actually did that as well. Those are the, for me, I have shift, option, and this one is control and command. And then you have the buttons right here as well. Those are express keys. Click next. You do have to do the pen hover over here like that, and you do it all the way to the top. And then for this one, you just do the mapping. You do one corner here, okay, one corner right there, and then another corner over here, way on the top there. Okay, so that one was pretty easy. And then this is my monitor there. Click next. And do you want to register your device? I say not yet, maybe I'll do it later. And that is done. That is it. One thing I came up with when I was setting it up, it didn't really let me add the tablet. So when I try to do this, it didn't really work. So let me show you how I fixed that. I went to this is an Apple computer that I'm doing. For PC, I don't know how, might be the same settings, but I had to go to security and privacy, and then you do have to go to accessibility right here, and then make sure that this is selected here. You may have to like unlock it so you can give access to it. But yeah, you have to select that, otherwise you can't really do it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you find this tutorial useful. If you do want to buy this is a really good tool to have. Like I said, I didn't even know why I didn't buy it before, but I finally got it. I'm excited. It's $79, the wireless one. The other one is $69. Highly recommend get the wireless one. It's only $10 more. I put a link on the description below. All right, well, this is Mario, and I will see you on the next video.